This is the NTR Water Rescue Throw Bag. We picked this up for our boat just to be in compliant with the Coast Guard to make sure we have the flotation device here. And this is exactly what we were looking for. It's a small item. You could see here, you could store this very easily, but then if it comes in where you need it, you could easily get it out. It has all the rope in here. I believe this is like a 3/8 rope. It's like 1,844 pound strength. This is about 6.3 inches around here. You'd see it fits in the palm of your hand nicely. I believe this weighs about 1.5 pounds dry and about 2 pounds if it is wet and thrown into the water. So you can see here, it's very portable, very easy to use, and just exactly what we needed for our boat, and just a really great overall product. We have some friends that we just basically got their list of items that they have for their boat and picked this up. They highly recommended this one. They said they've been happy with it, and it just stores nice and easy, and if you need to use it, it is just a really great item here. So definitely want to check this out. It's the Throwable Rescue Rope. It's about 8 inches by about 4 inches, and you just see here, just pick up with one hand here and store this very easy.